Mike Charbonneau here with Find the Way Ministries. Well, all eyes this week are riveted on Rio and what's taking place there. You can even see some of the ladies' soccer match going on in the background where I'm sitting today. We think of the athletes, the training, not just the hours, the days, the months, the years, as they've committed themselves to being the best in their specialty. And all of us, whether we're athletes or armchair athletes, know a little bit about running a race. We know it's not a good thing to look back. You could trip. We also know that when you have lost a race, if you dwell on that, you're never going to do well in the next one. The Bible is filled with race analogies, analogies that are there to encourage you and to encourage me. The Apostle Paul wrote this one in particular, which stands out in my mind, when he was actually waiting to be put to death. We find it in Philippians chapter 3. I want to read it for you right now. He said, "But one thing I do, forgetting what is behind and straining toward what is ahead, I press on toward the goal to win the prize for which God has called me heavenward in Christ Jesus." Paul knew that the race of life was not won in an hour or a week. It was a commitment to a pathway for life. I want to encourage you in your spiritual journey right now to not look back. You've got failures in the past, we all do. But if your trust is in Christ, you have been forgiven, and today is a new day. I want to encourage you to look ahead, and regardless of the obstacles, of how difficult it seems when you feel like no one's encouraging you to press on, let me encourage you to press on, knowing that one day we will stand before Christ. And today, His Spirit is there to encourage you. And I want to give you a word of encouragement as well. Keep pressing on.